Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use the red flag filter on TikTok. Okay, first things first, you want to go ahead and tap on TikTok. Next, tap on search here at the top right and search for red flags filter. Now in the search results, you are looking for the red flags filter. Then, what you want to do is to press any of the effects and record. Once you have chosen the effect, the trending sound will be selected as well. So once you are ready, go ahead and tap on the red record button, and now you can see your 3 red flags. Then stop recording if you are satisfied. And now you can go ahead and press the tick, and now you have created your red flag video on TikTok. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now use the red flag filter on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.